Farewell, my friends, I'm bound for Canaan. I'm traveling through the wilderness. Your company has been delightful. You have put my mind at rest. I'm going there perforce to leave you, perhaps never to meet again. But if we never have the pleasure, I hope we meet on Canaan land.
Farewell, my friends, I'm bound for Canaan. I'm traveling through the wilderness. Your company has been delightful. You have put my mind at rest. I'm going there perforce to leave you, perhaps never to meet again. But if we never have the pleasure, I hope we meet on Canaan land.
Farewell, my friends, I'm bound for Canaan. I'm traveling through the wilderness. Your company has been delightful. You have put my mind at rest. I'm going there perforce to leave you, perhaps never to meet again. But if we never have the pleasure, I hope we meet on Canaan land. I hope we meet on Canaan land. I hope we meet